Hey everybody, I'm back with another YouTube video here today. I'm going to be doing some more McDonald's packs today. These packs came out in 2002, so they're well over 20 years old now, almost 24 years I guess. 2026 is right around the corner. Today's December 7th of 2025. I'm going to go ahead and weigh these packs out for you guys. I have three heavier packs here that weigh about 3.55 grams, and we're gonna go ahead and open these too. So let's see, this one weighs in at 3.55, and just to give you guys an idea, I have a couple other packs. I have some other packs here to the side to show you the difference. This one's weighing in at about 3.39 on this one. So that's, and then I have some other packs that might possibly be super rares as well. This one's weighing in at looks like 3.44. So again, 3.55 on this pack, or 356, whatever, 357. Okay. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open this and see what we have inside. This is really exciting. I'm really wanting to get a Cosmo Queen as a PSA 10. I graded some of these over the summer and was able to get 3 of the foils back as PSA 10. A Millennium Shield, Takramenos, and the Dark Piercing Light. So I still need Goddess of Whim and Cosmo Queen as a PSA 10 for the foils. And then I do plan on, my goal is to grade the entire set, the entire 15 card set as PSA 10s. So this one, looks like this one ripped open. Hold on guys, give me a second to get this open. Might have to tear it open from the back. Yeah, okay. Well, that's not how I wanted it to open. Being that these cards are so old and I plan on grading these, I want to be really careful opening these. There's only 2 cards in it. It's not helpful that it's okay. Little technical difficulty opening this one. Alright guys, let's see what let's pull it out and see what we can get. Okay, so Turtle Bird for the front card. The back card is Takramenos. Okay. Another Takramenos. I've pulled the most of these out of this set. So Turtle Bird and Takramenos. Go ahead and sleeve this one up. So that's not what I was hoping to see. But it's okay. Alright, I'll sleeve it up here. Let's see. Alright, these sleeves are frustrating sometimes. Okay. Okay, we'll check it out. Centering looks okay on this. I mean, if I could get another PSA 10 for Takramenos, that'd be nice. Okay. Next pack. Okay. Alright guys. Okay, next pack we have 3.53 is what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open this one up as well. I'll try to do my best opening it better this time. Okay. Okay, just give me a second. Let's see what I can Manage same thing. Okay, never mind. I was not able to open this the way I wanted to. Okay. Alright, here's pack number 2, guys. Man, they're really tight fit in the... I'm just going to tear the whole thing open. I don't want to risk damaging the corners pulling it out. Okay. Okay. Well, if that's either way, it's still not helping very much. Okay, so we can get this out carefully. I want to keep the corners in the best condition. Okay. Alright. Pack number 2, Megasonic Eye and Dark Piercing Light. Another Dark Piercing Light. Okay. Megasonic Eye, Dark Piercing Light. So these are both super rares. I don't know where the ultra rares are. Usually they weigh in about 3.55 grams for the ultra rare packs. So being that I wanted another Cosmo Queen, have a chance to get a PSA 10. Well, still 2 foil cards. Okay. Centering looks okay. If maybe it could pull a PSA 10. I don't know. You don't know until you actually send them in to get graded. All right, that was pack number 2. All right, 3, 5, 6 on this pack. 1 ultra rare would be nice to see, considering I'm still missing a Cosmo Queen as PSA 10. Alright, okay. Let's see if this one's going to be any better opening. Okay, that one turned out a little better. Okay. Alright, guys. This is nerve-wracking. Okay. Being that these cards are so tight in the pack, it's really makes me nervous pulling these cards out. Keep the corners in really good condition. Okay. Go really slow. No, that's gonna be catching. Nope. Okay. I probably opened the wrong side of the pack. The other side was not as bent up. Okay. This is frustrating. This is a lot slower than I thought it would be. Okay. Try to be as careful as possible without... Okay. Alright, here we go. Finally. Okay. Uranzo for the front card, and come on, be good to us. Another Takramenos. Man, I've pulled so many of these. Takramenos once again. Okay, Uranzo, Takramenos. Well, being that I pulled so many Takramenos cards, I should have a good chance of getting another PSA 10, I would think. Depending on how well the corners are and the centering. Okay, so once again, Takramenos. My last video that I did opening some of these, I pulled 2 Takramenos cards as well. So I have at least 4 more to grade now. Okay. Looks clean. All right, 2 tacker mouse. And I guess just to see how these packs turn out, I might 3.43. I don't know if I should. Okay, if those two are super rares. Okay. 343. I might open one of these just to see if we have, for some reason, better luck on a lighter pack. Okay. Alright, this is pack number 4. Pack number 4. Here we go. 3.43 grams on this pack. This is more than likely the last pack I'm going to open, depending on how this turns out. Okay. Let's get the cards out. Always an issue with the corners on these. Okay, there we go. That one came out much easier. Okay. Alright, we have Yamadron. Okay, and card number 2, we have Fairy's Gift. Fairy's Gift. Okay, so nothing super exciting in this one, just common cards. Alright, that's okay. Okay guys, so a wrap up for the video. I pulled the heavier packs, had foils in them. Turned out to only be super rares. So Tacker Minnows, and Dark Piercing Light. And okay, that's pretty good though. Out of 4 packs, I pulled 3 foils. The lighter one, 3.43 grams, did not have a foil. So again, guys, this is a 2002. I believe it's 2002. McDonald's set. The first Yu-Gi-Oh set to come out. So that's a wrap up for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you can like, share, and subscribe, I would appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. I have some more videos that I would like to post. I do have a sealed first edition 36-pack box, a magic ruler, that I would like to eventually open and share with you guys. Until now, that's it for today. Merry Christmas to you guys if I don't post any other videos. And happy holidays to you guys. See you next time.